ChatGPT is a powerful language generation model created by OpenAI that utilizes deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. It's been trained on a vast amount of text data and has the ability to understand and respond in natural language, making it capable of having conversations, answering questions, and even writing essays, articles, or code. As a 25-year-old, you can use ChatGPT for various purposes, such as creating chatbots for customer service, automating content creation for your business, or even generating code for your project. It can also be used for language translation, text summarization, text completion, and many more. It's important to note that ChatGPT is a general-purpose language model and it's not designed to answer any specific question or to be an expert in a certain field. However, it can provide a general understanding of the subject and help to generate human-like text. It's also a continuously improving technology, and with its advancements, it can be used in various fields.